Hi students, let's discuss exam style practice question chapter 20, page 266. Let's look at the case study 1. Charlotte and Amy are sisters and business partners. In September 2012, they opened a greeting card shop, Cards for You. Although the business has been profitable in its first 4 months, the business does not always have enough money to pay its suppliers. Their younger sister Lydia has a degree in business management. She has produced the cash flow forecast shown below for the first 4 months of 2013. She has told her sisters that this will help them to manage their working capital more effectively. Charlotte does not see the need for cash management. After all, she said, we are making profit. Her son's question. Okay, define working capital. Okay, what's working capital? Okay, your answer should be needed to finance day-to-day expenses. Needed to finance day-to-day expenses. Without cash, a business cannot pay its debts and will not be able to survive. Without cash, a business cannot pay its debts and will not be able to survive. Okay, let's go for question number B. Calculate the missing figures shown as A and B in the cash flow forecast. Okay, so what is A? A should be 1060 minus 640, 1060, which is total cash inflow, minus total outflow would be 1060 minus 640 equals to 420. And B should be negative 180 plus 390 for April. Negative 180 plus 390 equals to 210. Okay, let's go for question number C. Outline why the owners of Cards for You should be concerned about the results shown in this cash flow forecast. Your answer should be closing balance in January and February are negative. Closing balances in January and February are negative. Do not have enough cash to pay business expenses and debts. Do not have enough cash to pay business expenses and debts. Might need to use overdraft facility. I repeat, might need to use overdraft facilities. Another point you can say, overdraft is an expensive source of finance which increases Cards for Use costs. Again, overdraft is an expensive source of finance which increases Cards for You costs. Number D. Explain 2 ways the owners of Cards for You could improve the cash flow of their business. Okay, the 2 ways could be increase cash inflow by manage trade receivable more effectively. I repeat, way 1, increase cash inflow by managing trade receivable more effectively. And way 2, they can say, you can say offer discount to credit sales customer to pay for goods sooner. Offer discounts to credit sales to customers to pay for goods sooner. Alright, now last one, E. Do you agree with Charlotte's view that there is no need for cash management? Justify your answer. You should say no because you need the cash management. So no, because without cash, Cards for You will not be able to pay its debts. No, because without cash Cards for You will not be able to pay its debts and will have no cash to pay for suppliers. And will have no cash to pay for suppliers. Second point, without suppliers, nothing to sell. If cannot pay rent, then will have no close down. Without suppliers, nothing to sell, right? So you can also write, if cannot pay rent, then will have no close down. Might waste cash buying goods, does not need. Okay, that's for E. You can also add in E that if you have cash shortage, have to use an overdraft or other short-term finance. You can add that too. All right, next one, question number 2. Yeah? Okay, question number 2. Identify 2 reasons why business need cash. Okay, answer: to pay day-to-day expenses, to avoid the need for an overdraft which increases the business cost. To pay day-to-day expenses, to avoid the need for an overdraft which increases the business cost. Okay, B. define net cash flow. Okay, the answer should be differences between cash inflow and cash outflow for a particular time period. Differences between cash inflows and cash outflow for a particular time period. Question number C. Your answer for March net cash flow would be negative 30. 200 minus 230 equals to negative 30. Okay, and the opening balance is the closing balance from February. So your March opening balance would be negative 10, because just carry forward the closing balance from February. Okay, so the answer should be negative 30 for net cash flow for March, negative 10 for opening balance of March, and closing balance is plus negative 30 plus negative 10 equals to negative 40. And April, 180 minus 160 would be 20 for net cash flow. Okay, and the opening balance would be the closing balance of March for April, so negative 40. So 20 plus negative 40 equals to negative 20. 20 plus negative 40 equals to 20. So closing balance is equals to net cash flow minus opening balance. Next one, D. Explain two benefits to ABC of managing working capital. So how do you explain? Cash inflows may improve by recovering money owed from trade receivable on time. Cash inflow may improve recovering money owed from trade receivable on time. More cash coming into the business to finance cash outflow. More cash coming into the business to finance cash outflow. Cash outflow kept to a minimum. Okay, that means ensure cash outflow kept to a minimum to avoid paying trade payable early. To avoid paying trade payable early, and to ensure cash outflows not greater than cash inflows, and improve cash balances. Okay, now question number E. ABC has cash shortage from February to March, needs to increase cash inflow in this month or reduce cash outflow. ABC has cash shortage from February to March, needs to increase cash inflows in this month or reduce cash outflows. And they can offer discounts to trade receivable to encourage early payment, offer discounts to trade receivable to encourage early payment, and improve credit control to make sure trade receivable pay on time. Improve credit control to make sure trade receivable pay on time, and this can reduce inventories, or they can delay purchases if possible and ask trade payable for longer credit period. They can delay purchases if possible and ask trade payable for longer credit term. Okay, this is 6 mark. Alright, that's all for today. Hope you can understand. Anything, please WhatsApp me or email it to me. Thank you. Bye. See you all.